Repentance is not only personal, it touches how we relate to others. When our hearts change, our relationships begin to change too. True repentance often leads us to humility, compassion, and the courage to make things right. Sometimes repentance involves reaching out to repair a relationship, apologize for something we said or did, or offer forgiveness to someone who hurt us. These small but meaningful acts soften hearts and rebuild trust. Restoring relationships isn't always easy, but it brings peace to the soul. When we choose humility over pride, healing begins. In those moments, both hearts are strengthened and faith grows deeper. Today, take one small step towards reconciliation. Send a message, offer a sincere apology, or speak a word of kindness to someone you've hurt or someone you've been holding resentment towards. A simple act of humility can open the door to healing, peace, and renewed connection.